I'm Tayyaba, a full stack software engineer with expertise mostly in Java and Python. I'm still honing my skills as exploring new programming languages and experimenting with innovative frameworks. It's not just one thing, it's like a never ending brain teaser, always a new problem to solve or a new technology to explore, forcing me to continuously adapt and learn. It was like an archer aiming at a target, as I had clear goals in my mind that led to a successful outcome. The most surprising and awesome thing is to pick up table tennis skills. I would choose to be a QA as it will give me an opportunity to see the product from different perspective. My coding style is a blend of drama and thriller. A superpower to code would be the ability to test and predict the behavior of the project in the real world scenario. I could check if everything works smoothly or fine without having to spend hours manually testing it. I'm definitely a tabs person as it's more flexible and takes less effort. Hashtag full stack crafting.